It's done. Put a little bit more on it than I was planning on, but I don't mind it. Cause this grabbed some more paracord, and I just grabbed a strand, and like when I grabbed, it seemed like it was a little longer than I wanted, but I was like, well, and I put it on there. And it turns out it was a little longer than I wanted, but I don't care. The more the merrier, I guess. It's pretty wide, but I think I want it wide. You know, it's just better grip. It's probably gonna get quite a bit wider too when I put tape on it. Yep. I actually tried it this one though. I started off cleaner here, but I don't know. I just kind of got messy. I did start rushing at the end, but it's definitely sturdy, you know what I mean? And it's gonna get covered up anyways, for the most part. Actually, this is the only part that's gonna be really seen, I think, so, yeah.